I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Efficiency is the backbone of any successful trade. Let's look at how to master your digital office today.
Learn how Jax uses reliable finance-focused web searches and your financial data from Xero and other connected apps to show you what's happening in your business and take the effort out of your admin. Ask Jax how to improve your cash flow or spot revenue or profit trends you can compare to industry averages. Let's take a look. To chat with Jax, click the Jax icon in the top right of your screen. Click the search box to type your question. First, let's ask Jax, what's the average revenue for a cleaning company in the UK with 5 employees? Jax will think for a moment, then generate an answer and provide links to the sources used. Then, compare the information to your business's revenue for the last 12 months to see how your business is performing against industry averages. Jax can provide easy-to-understand insights into your business financials. Ask Jax, what is my gross profit trend for this year? Jax will analyze your financial reports, then provide a summary of the gross profit trend for the current financial year with intuitive visualizations using charts and tables. You can also ask Jax for advice on specific situations. For example, I need to negotiate payment terms with a customer. Can you help coach me through that conversation? Once Jax is done thinking, it'll provide a step-by-step approach on how to handle the conversation. Provide Jax with additional information for more specific guidance that relates directly to your situation. Finally, Jax can also find answers to your accounting or tax questions. Jax will search the web, then give you a thorough response to your question and provide useful links to sources where you can learn more without losing your place in Xero. Jax is trained to look at specific places to get accurate information to answer your financial and technical questions. For example, in Australia, Jax knows to look at the ATO website, and in the UK, to look at the HMRC website to help generate its answers. For example, let's ask Jax, what are the current tax benefits for commercial kitchen equipment purchases in Australia? Use the response from Jax to collaborate with your accountant or bookkeeper to help supercharge your business. Chat with Jax to dig into your business numbers and get quick, reliable answers from across the web and your own data so you can make confident decisions faster.